What's going on, YouTube? You're watching Exquisitemad. Be sure to like and subscribe, and remember to hit that bell. Today, going to be showing how to apply Meguiar's ceramic hybrid wax. It's supposed to be able to be sprayed on when you wash the vehicle. After you wash it, you're supposed to be able to rinse it according to the instructions on the back of this bottle. I'm going to be showing how to use it. Alright, so according to this product here, and according to the instructions, you're going to want to wash the vehicle, which I've already done, and you're going to want to spray it. Now, the instructions say to hit it with a strong stream of water to spread it. As you can see, it's just kind of just staying in one place. It's a black car, so we're going to see how this does, and also let you see how it's applied. So I'm just spraying it and I'm just moving it around. Looks pretty good, y'all. Looks pretty good. Now, according to this product, we are going to want to dry the vehicle, since all this is spread around. And we're supposed to just dry it. So I got a microfiber. Looks pretty good, y'all. I like it. It's my opinion. I like it for a little maintenance after you have a wax on here and after you have a treatment on here. It's just nice to have something like that. To me, in the functionality that I see, beyond just making it bead and shiny, is that it gives me a little bit of lubrication while I'm drying this car off. I'm drying it off, and as you can see, it's not leaving any swirls or anything like that. So to me, it's a good product. It's pretty cool. Turned out pretty good, y'all. So I like the results. Be sure to like and subscribe. Remember to hit that bell for new notifications of new videos.